Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Crittenden County, Kentucky, south central Union County, Kentucky, southwestern Webster County, Kentucky, until 7 p.m. At 6:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Sturgis and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Several reports of rotation have been received with this storm. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near. Play around 6:40 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Waycroft. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m.